Hello everyone, my name is Dana Felix and I'm going to show you how to join these machines to a domain. First, you need to make sure that they have a host only network adapter. So you go into settings, then click network, go to attach to, change it to host only adapter. The name should be VirtualBox host only Ethernet adapter. Then click advanced, promiscuous mode, and allow all. Click OK. Then do this for Windows 7. And Windows Vista. Windows XP is a little different because it's older. So go to network, host only adapter, advanced. You need to change PCNet Fast 3 to PCNet PCI 2. Then allow all. Click OK. Then you have to open run server 2008. So we need to configure server 2008 first because that is where our domain is, and we need the IP address of the server in order to connect the other VMs to the domain. Alright, now that we're logged on, you need to right click the computers, go to Network and Sharing Center, Manage Network Connections, Properties, go to IP version 4 and make sure that your IP address is manually set because you need the IP address of the server 2008 in order to connect the other VMs. That's why it's done first. Okay, now in the Network and Sharing Center, you need to turn Network Discovery on, click Apply. File sharing should be on by default. If it isn't, turn it on. Public folder sharing, you need to turn on sharing so anyone with network access can open, change, and create files. Then click Apply. Printer sharing is not necessary as we are working with virtual machines and there is no printer connected. As you can see, server 2008 is connected to the domain already. So now that preparations are complete on server 2008, we will go to the other VMs and configure those as well. Okay, so now I have Windows 7 open. I'm going to change the IP address and connect it to the domain. First, right click on the network, go to Network and Sharing, then go to Change Adapter Settings, right click, Properties, turn off IP version 6, go to IP version 4, Properties, use the following IP addresses. The IP address cannot be the same as server as that will cause problems. The default gateway must be the same as the server's IP address. and so does the preferred DNS server. Click OK. Click close. Identifying. Alright, now it's connected to this network. You just need to click cancel. Now go back. Go to change advanced sharing settings. For everything, turn on network discovery. For public profile, turn on file and printer sharing. Turn on sharing so anyone with network access can read and write files. Turn off password protected sharing. That's very important. Save changes. Ooh, actually do this for home and work as well. And save changes. Alright, now you can close this. Click start, go to computer, system properties, then change settings. Go down to change right here to rename this computer or change its domain or workgroup. Click change. Now, as you can see, the computer is part of workgroup. We wanted to join the Felix domain. So you select domain, type in Felix, and then click OK. A pop-up will appear asking for the administrator's account. So you just need to type in Right, if done correctly, a pop-up will appear saying welcome to the Felix domain, or whatever you named your domain. Click OK. It will ask you to restart in order to accommodate the changes. Click OK. Click close and restart now. Now, when you choose to restart, when it's finished restarting, you will have to input Control-Alt-Delete, switch user, enter the domain name. As you can see, it's asking to log on to the Felix domain. So you enter the domain name, /administrator, then enter the password. Click the arrow. Since it's successful, it will work. As you can see, we were able to log on successfully, but just in case, go to computer, system properties, and you can see domain felix.com, which means it worked successfully. Now I will do the same for Windows Vista.